any lady, any girl wearing blue earrings?
Thanks.
Alright, so we have a... Can I just verify? Can I please verify your earrings?
William.
They are blue indeed. And I call upon Mr. Edgar Pinto to please hand over the spot prize to our winner, Carol Di Costa. Mr. Edgar Pinto and his family have traveled all the way from Surrey to be amongst us. Carol Di Costa. Thank you so much. So there'll be more coming up. So hold up, Greg. We will be moving on to the next part of our program. We have a theme song. We Love You, Goa. And we have passed on some sheets with the lyrics. We love you, Goa. So we would like you to join us in the singing. Don't worry, we will sing the first verse and demonstrate. And then everyone can join in the singing. That is going to be our theme song, We Love You, Goa. Coming up in a few moments from now. Thank you.